Assalamualaikum. I'm Umar Javed and this is my ML Ops project. The purpose of this project was to build a production grade machine learning system that not only serves prediction but is also self-monitoring, self-healing through automated retraining and fully observable using modern DevOps and cloud practices. This is our README file that contains the project description along with step-by-step instruction setup and run instructions. Moving on to the data injection and architecture. At the core of the system is a fast API application that serves inference and monitoring endpoints. Along the API, a background thread runs a data ingestion loop. Every 30 seconds, this loop pulls new record from an external data lake API. It validates the schema for any changes such as added or removed features and appends the new records to our local CSV dataset. Most importantly, it feeds the incoming data into a drift detector using statistical thresholding. The detector checks if the feature distribution have significantly drifted from our training baseline. If the drift detect if the drift detects if the drift detector flags a distribution shift or if a schema change is detected, the ingestion loop automatically triggers the retraining pipeline. The retraining script is the retraining script searches across multiple random seeds to train a new random forest model, aiming for validation accuracy of 80% or higher. Once a better model is trained, the pipeline saves it as the latest model version, resets the drift baseline, and sends a Slack alert notifying us of the successful retraining and the new accuracy. To prevent resource exhaustion, I have also implemented a 5-minute cooldown between retraining triggers. Here at this in the Slack, as you can see, multiple alerts have been generated for feature drift detection to low accuracy to a high F95 latency. As for the screenshot, here they are from here they are that give us evidence of GitHub actions, then of the EC2 instance, then there is the Grafana dashboard along with raw outputs, and finally Slack and Prometheus target health. Moving to uh, moving to CI/CD and AWS deployment security for continuous integration and delivery, I have configured a GitHub Actions pipeline. On every push to the main branch, it runs lint checking with Flake8 and unit test using PyTest. If successful, it builds a Docker image and pushes it to the GitHub Docker Hub. Use it to go. Next, the deployment job connects to our AWS EC2 instance to maintain strict security. The runner dynamically queries its own IP while list it in the AWS security group for SSH and port 8000. Deploys the new container, verifies the security health, then immediately revokes its IP access. This ensures that port 822 and 8000 are never left exposed to the open internet. And finally, for Grafana and for alerting, we have used and monitoring, we have used Grafana and Prometheus. Prometheus scrapes metrics from our EC2 instance. We have 7 custom alert rules configured here, as you can see in our code. These are our alert rules for our from data lake unavailability, schema shift, distribution drift, latency spike, and low model accuracy. When an alert fires, Prometheus routes it alert manager, which templates a webhook and post a detailed notification to our Slack channel. We can also visualize all these metrics in real time using Grafana dashboard as shown to you in the screenshot. By hitting the debug trigger matrix endpoint, we can manually simulate anomalies and watch them fire instantly on Slack and update our on our dashboard. That will be all for my side. Thank you for listening.